Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tadashi Yoshida. I'm a CEO at SBI XDC Network APAC and head of Japan at the XDC Network. And I have to say sorry that after finish quite funny talk, we have to do the quite serious and boring speech. So even though everybody gone, I don't really care, so it's up to you. So listen to our speech. Okay, pass to that, Rebecca.
All right, thank you. So hello everyone. It's great to be here at Bitkub Summit. I am Rebecca from XDC Network, and I would love to talk about something that is affecting every single one of us, payments. So basically, money moves across the world on a daily basis, right? Between consumers, between businesses, across borders, between countries. So, despite being how far technology has come, don't you think that the global payment infrastructure remains slow and expensive? And if that resonates to you or if that sounds familiar, then you're not alone. And this is where XDC Network comes in. It's a blockchain network that bridges traditional finance into the speed and innovation of Web3. So longevity is one of the central theme of this conference. And if there's two things that XDC Network is proud of, basically it's longevity and its resilient architecture. In terms of longevity, our mainnet has been live since 2019, secure and stable. It's an enterprise blockchain that understands how financial system works. And in terms of this architecture resiliency, we can process 2,000 plus transactions per second, 2-second block finality, and of course, nearly zero gas fees. And at its core, XDC Network is also aligned with the ISO 20022 payment messaging. That means that whatever payment or payment that you've done with the network, it actually communicates on the same language that banks and the SWIFT network uses. So and this this relationship grew even stronger with our partnership with Circle because it's using a USDC regulated stablecoin. So why does this even matter, right? Why am I even sharing this to you? Because digital payments is becoming a critical backbone of how the world transacts today. And if you use blockchain for your payments, you're not just speeding up your payment, but you're also unlocking liquidity. That means businesses can get paid faster. And second, consumers can enjoy seamless cross-border transactions. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this topic is something that is very close to my heart because my remittances from United Arab Emirates to the Philippines is already cheaper and almost instantaneous. And of course, the third part is investors will have easier access to tokenized real-world assets. So basically that's it. By integrating an ISO 20022 payment messaging and of course combining it with a regulated stablecoin USDC, this is how XDC Network is bridging traditional finance and Web3. So thank you so much for listening, and I would love to thank Bitkub for being an amazing and great partner for XDC Network. So to continue on the collaboration and announcement, let's have Mr. Tadashi Yoshida once again. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Rebecca. And my second apology is I'm using this cheat sheet. So I'm pretty nervous on here and with my chicken heart. And here is such a big stage with 50,000 audience here. So let us using this cheat sheet. So anyway, let's start our introduction of our company. So SBI XDC Network APAC. So SBI XDC Network is a joint venture and owned by SBI Group and XDC Network. The company was established in December 2023. The headquarters located in Tokyo, Japan. And our target is the APAC region, and especially for the focusing on the East Asian countries like Japan and Korea, and also the Southeast Asian market, including Thailand. And the main business is marketing activities in this region for the XDC network, such as expanding a usage of our XDC blockchain, especially by the industries. So the increasing adoption of our trade finance schemes and the digitization of the trade document schemes to seek the efficiency of the global trade, and also increasing the liquidity and the users of the XDC tokens. And currently, SBI XDC Network APAC has a partnering company in Japan, Korea, and Thailand, especially and mainly for the cryptocurrency exchange businesses. And to accomplish our objectives, we actively looking for the partners that would like to solve their issues through our blockchain technologies. We hope to make a mutually beneficial and long-lasting relationship with Thailand companies. And next, I'd like to introduce a little bit about SBI Group. So what the SBI stands for, the Strategic Business Innovators. It used to be the part of the SoftBank Group called the SoftBank Investment. In 1999, our president, Mr. Kitao, became independent from our SoftBank Group and established the SBI. Now, SBI Group is one of the biggest financial conglomerates in Japan as well as through the world. The SBI Group covers the various financial sectors from banking, securities, insurance, asset management, and investment. So the SBI Group also actively expands their business in AI, healthcare, and of course the Web3 sectors. The SBI Group now has a total of 760 group companies, 586 companies operated in Japan, and 174 companies across the world, including SBI Thai Online Securities. We, SBI XDC Network APAC and XDC Network, would like to expand our business activities in Thailand and the Southeast Asian market through the strengthening the partnership with our great partners, the Bitkub Group.
ขอเสียงปรบมือให้ด้วยนะครับ Thank you very much for sharing with us such an amazing insight